branching off with that new up and coming Come Clean TV. Nah, man. Out here stop fabricating it. Come Clean TV. Nah, man. You don't know what that's it. For real. Come clean on it. Nah, man. For real, they stop fronting. Culture black out here. Nah, man. Represent Cambridge, also known as Bainbridge. Nah, I mean. On the floor, back your straight. Nah, I mean. We out here. Nah, I mean. Come clean. Productions.com, you see me? But said Hard Money TV, Ning.com, you see me? You see me? You don't know over there. Somebody tell you over there. But they're up on Burnside and Echo Place, you see it? What I'm saying? Nuvo Sundays, that's what I'm saying? Yeah, Nuvo Sundays, we're there. They don't know where a new order thing where I said 2010, 2011 Boom Squad I did. And so I said, I'm talking already. Because I'm not know up close and personal how me I deal with it. So I'm start the thing out. You see me? You see me? You see me? Some people don't know the order. See it, well, wicked there. Wicked. You see it? You see it? Alright. You see it right. With Daddy. Daddy blocks on the camera and up on the back, but I'm not saying nothing, but you don't know one order was set. DJ Blocks, boom, boom, boom. 93.1. 91.3. Oh, excuse me, 91.3. You don't know the whole order with Daddy. You see me? But it's up my little junk. You see me? Hold on, because I'm going to sip some more. You see me? Yeah. Because my name is Mad Clean, but you know me as Mad Boom. Look out for that album. I call Mad to the thing. You see me? You see me? Look out for the single me how we can deal with too. You see me? Because that's still my pressure even though we are going hard up on YouTube. That's why none. That's my color that. You see me? One out of a set. And make sure you know when I say we are dancer plus we are selector. Pick up the boy David Boom. You see me? Because the boy David Boy that got hard. And don't forget, please remember, do tell everybody we soon have a party at a pop. They're on Queens, you see me? They're on the 21st, they're on, you see it? It's like a mad thing, I take everybody free, you see me? One other girl and thing when they're on, you see me? But we have new order, we say Queens, we are rush, we are invade Queens, thing I call. That's what we can say, invasion, Boom Squad invade Queens, you see me? So look out for that flyer there, you see me? They're on the 21st, you see it? It's already on MySpace, Twitter, I want to link it, you soon see we be our internet world.
About She-One.
Oh yeah, big up She-One, the new member. You see me, She-One, she said that girl I got bad like she hot like, whoa, man I tell you not lie, you see me, but yo, man I lie.
One thing I come up.
Yo, oh don't forget, She-One thing they're on the 27th. She-One thing they're on the 27th, right there in Nuvo. And 2344 Davidson Avenue. But when I know the address, it said 2344 Davidson Avenue, between Davidson and North Street. So I want to make sure I link it and check it out. Because they don't know, after me, that's one voice them said. And when they said Kaboom, nah, them said Hot Skull and my name, Mad Clean. One out of them said. And don't forget to make sure you check out. I said, yo, you hear me well? I said, check out Local J, the radio. Every Wednesday to Friday. I said, what we said, from 7 to 12? Yo, I'm not forget nothing, dog. Because you don't know me, I endorse the thing, because my name Mad. And you know, if I host one show, yo. Blocks to give me the honor one day and host that show because I don't know my thing with it so mad, so sick because I just clean and I can't get mad, but you know, I just have to present myself in one order. You see me? And yo, once again, I tell for the world, yo, if you're not like me, go suck up, yo. I don't want to curse because you don't know where a Sunday, Monday, so I'm have a clean heart, I'm not bad mind people, or one order of a set. And don't forget, pick up the CEO for to do the whole thing and the leader for the thing. Tell it for my brother. But right down, you see me? Like my brother, I said boom, I said gully step, boom, boom, boom. I said Tally boom, big up yourself, you see me? Big up the block them, yo. Big up the whole of the Bronx them down. Big up Burnside, Davidson over here. Big up Essex down. Big up all the hot girl there, you see me? Big up Warlord, you see me? Big up Future Sound, even though the bridge not there, I still my bridge, you see me? Big up all the hot girls. I'm not forget nobody dog, because you don't know one out of myself. You know what I mean? Clean heart. Yo, and big up my big man Ayana, you see me? And even big up my baby mother, even though the heart now clean. You see me? But yeah, you see it. Big up Pink Diamond Promotion. You see it?
Yeah man, big up all the crew them, you see it? Big up Antigua, Jamaica, all the small island them still, you see it? Big up Exorcist Sound, big up To Date Sound, big up Exodus, big up 4x4, big up 3-7s, big up War Dudley, you see it? Big up Envy Sound, all the sound them, you see it? All the cut. You see, big up all my gangster friend them, all the man them who bust the gun 95, you see. Real rude boys them, big them up too, you see. Easy DJ Stars, big them up too. I say a thing, that's done though.